Right. So list comprehensions is a way of creating Python lists in a very simplified one-line syntax. As you can see here in this picture, I'm creating a list of numbers which are greater than 5, and you can see I have to write all of this code. But if I'm using list comprehension, that code can be summarized in a single line. So simply put, list comprehension is a powerful way of producing Python lists in a very tight language, which is also easily understandable. For beginners, the list comprehension can be challenging, but I have a very neat little trick I want to show you, and I'm really excited about it. So let's dive into my explanation of list comprehension quickly. So very simply put, when you create, let's say we want to create a list of numbers from 0 to 11. So I'm sure from my previous video, which I've linked below, there's a video on this, but this send text essentially gets us to this list. But how can I write this in a single row in a list comprehensive manner? So the trick is very, very simple. You are just reorganizing the words in this simple loop. So if you understand this simple loop, there is no reason why you shouldn't understand a list comprehension. So all we're saying is for I in range 0 to 1, append I to this list. So these are the lines we use to create this output. Now I'm going to reverse it on its head. I'm going to show you visually how to do this. I'll first copy this I, which is in the append bracket, space, and then I'm gonna just put all of this send text afterwards within a square bracket. I for I in range 0 to 1. Very simply done. And let me print this, print number comprehension. So I'm printing this and we're printing this. So let's see whether the results match up or not. Boom. As you can see, we've condensed all of this into a single line. So list comprehension is actually a lot more powerful than this. So I'm going to get to the next bit of let's dive into another example. So here I've already done bits of it. Just to save time, I'm just going to show you what I'm doing. So let's say I want to find out all the numbers greater than 5 in the range of 0 to 11. So I've created an empty list greater than 5, and then said for I in this range, if I is greater than 5, then append, otherwise pass. So how do I create this? Using the same trick, create I'm going to say compre and then curly brackets. I'm going to use the same trick again. I'm going to say I copy, put that in here, space, for I in range 0 to 11, put that in here, and then just lift this if statement and chuck it afterwards. So here we go. So it simply reads I for I in range 0 to 11 if I is greater than 5. And let's print this and see what we get. So we're printing this. Well, it's already been printed, so I need to print greater compare and then see whether the two line up. So you see, I'm getting identical output. So rather than writing all of this, I just get the answer in a single row. So you can, I'm sure you can see how powerful list comprehensions are. Actually, they are faster. I'm not gonna go technical in this video. So this we conclude our video here with a very simple explanation of list comprehensions. Hopefully you found this new trick helpful and you'll use it in your work. Thank you. Bye.